Hello friend, today I want to show you about the one app that is popular on the App Store or the Android Store. This app is useful for the YouTuber, especially new YouTuber that just using YouTube. It is the YouTube Studio. It is YouTube Studio. In this app, you can use the dashboard, the video, the playlist, the comment, and analytics. The dashboard, it shows the summary of the four content that video, playlist, comment, and analytics. This app is popular because it was downloaded over 100 million users. So you can download it via your App Store or your Play Store on your Android. I use Android mobile, so I enter the Play Store, and the search box you can try YouTube Studio, and you will see it, and you see about the app and its feature, so you can use it. What the feature in the YouTube Studio is a monitor the channel and your video performance, and filter the response and respond to comment, and get notification when something important happen. But you can upload detail including thumbnail, image, monetization setting, and schedule that, and manage playlists. And I think that it's useful for you to use to manage your YouTube channel and your video via this app. Besides using your web on your phone, I think it is easy to use, user-friendly, so you can log into your YouTube Studio app, and the first thing you see is the dashboard of the app. It shows the analytics, the latest performance video, and the video that you post, and any comment, and you can interact with your friend here, the comment. Here you can see the analytics of your channels. At the three dash left corner, you can click on it, and you see the menu, video, playlist, comment, and analytics. Example, I click on the video, we show us the video in our channel, and you can sort it by upload or live. I don't have a live video, it is an upload, and you sort it by most recent or most views. Okay, and the next menu is playlist. You can click on playlist to manage your playlist and to use your playlist. For example, I have 4 playlists. And the third menu is the comment. In the comment menu, you can see who's comment on your video, and you can like the comment, and you can reply to them instantly. And you can filter that the comment that has published or the comment that have for review according to your setting in your YouTube Studio on your desktop. And the last one is analytics. It is important to use analytics on your YouTube channel. It shows you the real-time view for 48 hours, or you can change it to the real-time 60 minus real-time 40 hours, 7 days, 28 days, 90, 1 year, and the lifetime, or according to the any mandate that you want to solve. And you can see your top video on your channel that in the rank of the timelines, the view below or above, and the view, watch time, subscriber, and your estimated earning for a period. You can click on the reach menu on the top, and you can see the impression on your channels and the traffic sources, that browse feature, notification, short feed, channel package, the top external sources from Facebook or Creator Studio, and the top YouTube search term, mobile solar chargers, and the top video that I don't have enough data traffic to show this report. And you can click on the engagement for the last 28 days and the previous period. Average view duration, that the last 28 period show me that 51 seconds, and the last previous is 31 seconds. In the analytic, you can see the audience. I don't have the enough demographic data to show the gender, the age, and the top geographies. And watch time from my subscriber 77.1%. And the last menu on this analytic is a revenue. Revenue in the last 28 days, or I click on the in July times, my estimate revenue is $3,286.66. So view it on the 28 or 4 weeks. It's just 11 cents. And you see your RPM, your transaction, your airtime, your top earning video, and the last one is the top geography by CPM. Okay, I think that it's enough for me to show you that this app do many things about the YouTube schedule, and you can test it by yourself. I think it is useful for you to use it besides using your desktop. Okay, thank you. If you like my video, please click on the like button and click on the notification, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye bye.